Here I have a system of equations to solve. It looks like I have three variables, a, b, and c, along with three equations. So I could approach this a couple of ways. I could begin by using substitution and solving for this a right here, and then plugging that expression into the other two. Or I could go ahead and use elimination. It looks like those b's will cancel pretty nicely. Let's go ahead and use those b's, and let's do elimination, because that looks pretty good. So this negative 4b and positive 4b, looks like I could put these first two equations together. And then again, the positive 4b and the negative 4b, kind of looks like I could put those second two equations together. So let's go ahead and add these first two equations up. So negative a and positive a cancels each other out. Negative 4b and positive 4b, well, the b's cancel out as well. So I'm left with a 6c equals 7 minus 1, which is 6. Actually, that gave me a value of c right off the bat. So I know that c equals 1. Well, let's go ahead and continue. Let's go ahead and add these second and third equations together. So a and 2a will be 3a. Looks like my b's will cancel, and then plus 2c equals negative 1 and a negative 12 makes a negative 13. Well, I already know the value for c, so let's go ahead and plug that in right now. So it looks like 3a plus 2 equals negative 13. So I can solve that simple two-step equation. 3a equals negative 15. So it looks like my value of a is going to be negative 5. Okay, well I have a and I have c, so let's go ahead and plug it in for one of these equations to find b. Well, it looks like this is probably the simplest equation. It only has a and b here. So a plus 4b equals negative 1. So I'm going to go ahead and plug my value of a in. So I'm going to add 5 to both sides. When I do that, my 5's cancel there. 4b equals 4. And it looks like b will equal 1. So in this system now, I have all three values for my variables, a, b, and c. So I'm just going to go ahead and write that as an ordered triplet. A value, b value, and my c value. And the point negative 5, 1, 1, this ordered triplet is going to be the solution for this given system.